If the Kuki militants further attack the people of the state, then what kind of force actions to be taken immediately? And this are to be given in written statement. And ako na tunday pa. But of course, in the field, there is immediate support to the if this statement fails to act by the unified command in charge, then to declare to the Manipur of the people of Manipur to face the situation by our own people and relieve the duties of central forces and let them stay in their own camp. This is a written statement that we do have to do. First, the option is then, if this two demands fail to act up by the in charge of unified command, then he must step back and go from this step after relieving from his duty haiba. Adalida mana pirapa ma written statement that magi like the PP din haiba. Alna pibang amon haiba. Written statement is pibang amon. Aduga last ki point today is that koina tunjagiba ani se yadragadi magi position hadu ma tatki ba hada sa. Today is the mana I di anytime sat ba hadu matam sat pangambi haiba. Sat pangangani sige declaration ja magi position lagi pothau natraga ma handu hadu sa. Akodi governor na state governor ga CM ga na hada da haba. Moina haya ga ya haiba. Aduga power se mangonda laise advisor oina laibane ba. Magi advisor oina laibane na man tambiri eba. Aduga power di
Siapa yang pengdi? Masuk asyik tidak boleh menemu. Mana kau pakai mana? Itu kamu betul dia.
Any kind of
buat kom lagi.
Whole torok macam. Sudah.
Masih hati kerja boleh. Masih hati kerja boleh. Saya tahu itu masih hati kerja boleh. Mana wasa itu betul wasa itu. Ngayon kita dengan wasap tenaga tahu dengan. Tahunya yang semua. Apalagi ko ini ya sopa.
Bagaimana apa youth kita ni?
Apa youth ni? Apa youth ni? Apa youth ni? Mayam, 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 mayam,